School's so boring today. There's a fire! We gotta get out of here! Alright, single file line, everyone. We don't have time for that! There's a fire! I don't care! Just do it! Can we go a little faster? Be quiet! Keep walking, okay? I think there's better ways to do this. To pee? Here. Tommy? Where's Tommy? I need help! Oh no. Oh my. And that's why you stay in line.